So a lot of people, when they're fitting silicon inlet pipes to the N54, they have a bit of problem with the silicon pipe rubbing against the belts or getting very close to it. So what I'm going to show you in this video is just a very simple way of helping prevent that using the original intake pipe. This is only for the front intake pipe. The rear intake pipe is fine because that just kind of squidges down the back, even though it's an absolute arse to fit. But this is, yeah, just to deal with using this one to fit something like this with a 2-inch intake down here. Okay, so here's what we're going to need. We're going to need an OEM intake pipe for the front side. We're going to need the new one, obviously, that we're going to fit. And we're going to need a Dremel. And we're going to need, or a grinder, you can use a grinder if you like. And a little bit of masking tape just to mask up where we're going to cut, just to make the cuts a bit neater. And then hopefully we should have a nice supported intake pipe. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just going to go and clean this up with a little file, and then we'll offer it up and see what it looks like. So I've just fitted this up. You can see down here we've got the original intake pipe that's been cut, and you see how close that it gets there anyway. Obviously when this is all secured down it's a little bit different, but I think that's actually pretty useful in order to try and keep this away. I think it may work better with the slightly smaller intake pipes. This one's a 2-inch, but I know you can get the 1.75 intakes as well. But either way, I think that's a really handy little mod that you can do just to keep this pipe just that little bit further away from the vital engine pulleys and components. So yeah, so if you think that was useful and you'd like to know any more, drop some comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.